Thank you to dbrand for sponsoring our CES 2018 content. Check out their 6 skins in the description down below. We're here at Maingear checking out their F131 gaming desktop. As you can see just on the inside through the tempered glass panel, we have an M-ATX motherboard, so you can have up to 4 sticks of RAM, which is cool. They didn't go with a tiny ITX board. And they did manage to mount 2 graphics cards in here. It's a little hard to tell, but you can see just in the back they have another GTX 1080 Ti. Also, while the camera's up here, you'll notice that they have case lighting on the inside, all around, and on the front for the logo. And that is all able to be controlled through either your motherboard with something like ASUS Aura, or through the controller that comes in the box. The internals are constructed out of server-grade steel, and the outside is Japanese brushed aluminum. But if you do want to spice it up a little bit, they do have multiple other finishes as well. You can get their Spectrum paint with chameleon colors, or their Mark II finish, or many more as well. But to bring us back to the inside of the case, you have a power supply shroud, which nicely hides your power supply and the cables that come with it. And on top of that, you can mount up to 3 SSDs. A lot of those SSDs look amazing. You might not have an awesome M.2 drive like they have here, or you might just want more in general, so you can show those off. But you won't be able to see that if what you're covering it up with looks even way better and is called Apex ICS. That's the cooling system that we have here that is made custom for this case. You can have whatever coolant color in it you want. We're showing red here, but they also have other colors here as well. And it is cooled by a giant 3x140mm radiator in the top, up to, I should say. You can put whatever radiator up in the top you want. You can pair the Apex ICS with softline tubing, or like they're displaying here on all of their systems, and as I would expect from Maingear, hardline tubing. It has dual pumps in the back, which is great because you can run each one of them at a slightly lower rate than you normally would, and it'll still operate great, and it's really, really quiet. I can't even hear it standing right here, which is awesome. There's a flow rate meter like you can see right in the front. There's a pressure release valve for fast draining through a quick disconnect port, and a temp sensor to make sure that everything is going okay, and an LED strip down the right-hand side, which will look especially good if you run a complete UV setup. And it's available now. You can configure your personal F131 gaming chassis setup with Apex ICS cooling at Maingear's website today. And speaking of today, sponsor spot, you can go to dbrand.com/CES2018 and check out a whole bunch of awesome skins for a whole bunch of awesome devices like your phone, tablet, if you still have one of those, a laptop, whatever other device you want. They come in a whole bunch of different 3M finishes. You can get wood, you can get marble, dragon skin, which is my favorite, or just standard colors, whatever you want. It's all there. They have tons of different color options, just like your Maingear computer, if you decide to go with that. So yeah, check them out. It helps protect your phone against little scratches and dents as well, which is cool. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you dislike it, get subscribed, all that fun stuff. And yeah, see you in the rest of our CES 2018 content.